Okay, we're first of course going to remove the side panel, and then we're just going to remove the dust cover off of for the gears. You can just stick a flathead underneath the corner, just pop it right up, it'll pop off. Then I'll go ahead and take a screwdriver, and you'll see there's two screws here, one on top, one on the bottom. You see those two screws? We're just simply going to remove those screws. Go ahead and set them aside. Note the screw has a little lock washer on it. Make sure that you put it back with the lock washer. If you don't, they will come loose. Now, I've already removed the bottom on this machine just to make this quick, but once those two screws are out, you can just lift this out. We're going to unplug it here. We're just going to remove that. So edit that. Okay, just take that screw out, and there you have the motor removed. Simply put the motor back in the same way. When you do put it in, just slip it in, line it up. I find it's easier to go ahead and put it back in while it's still laying on its side, because I can visually line up my screws. Again, when you put the screws back in, make sure that you keep the lock washers on them. A magnetized screwdriver will make it much easier.